Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to split screen on iPadOS 26. So actually it is very easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, if we open some app, by default on iPad we do not have such option to split screen right from the application, so we need to turn on a special option in the settings in order to have this feature. So first of all, go to your settings and scroll down just a little bit until you will find multitasking and gestures. So click on it. Here it is, and as you can see, now it is set to full screen apps. So it basically means that all the apps you are using are automatically in full screen, so you are not able to minimize them and resize them as you want and split screen. So we need to choose here windowed apps. So basically we'll have an ability to move them to the right side or to the left side of the screen. So close the settings. And now open the application you would like to split screen. So for example, I will go with the Good Notes, and here now I can just slightly slide my finger from the top like that to see the options that I have here. So you need to click on the window button and choose here move and resize. And now you can choose the halves. So for example, I want these applications on the left side, and then now I need to choose the application that will be on the right side. So just simply slide from the bottom to the bottom side of the screen to go back. And now you need to simply choose the second application. So for example, it can be music. And as you can see, now the music is opened in the right half. If you want to close the music and choose something else, you can always just go and click on the different application. As you can see, it is opened in the full screen, so you just simply slide from the top to the bottom or like this, go to the view, go to the window, move and resize and choose right. And now you can just use two applications right here, and by dragging the middle slider you can just increase or resize the size of the windows. And basically that's it. That is how we can split screen on iPadOS 26. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.